Today I'm going to talk about FloraLife LeafShine, a product that you can use in your flower shop to elevate your floral design work. It's a product that you use on cut foliage. Spray it on and it will just give that foliage that luxe feel, that slight natural shine, but it really elevates the design work, the overall design work. I'm just going to actually make a bouquet while I'm chatting to you, but what I've done, I've actually used the LeafShine to start with on my foliage, because this is something, I have seen this a few times where florists have actually sprayed it on the flowers as well. So just to be clear, this product is designed just for cut foliage, not for the flowers. It's great, it dries really quickly, there's no scent, there's nothing there that smells that's going to put anybody off. And it doesn't leave any residue on your hands either. Just a lovely product. You know, sometimes you can get those calcium deposits on the leaves, so it just makes the leaves look a little tired or old looking. Using LeafShine will eliminate all of that. Here we go, you can just see that lovely shine compared to your flowers. Makes the flowers pop as well, I think, as well. And we now have our silicone-free LeafShine, which is made from natural oils, and it still retains that lovely natural gloss, has all the same properties, it dries quickly, and it's scent-free too. So you can see here with the finished bouquet that using that LeafShine really brings out the natural beauty of the foliage, just giving it that slight shine that catches the light, but really complements the flowers beautifully. And of course, FloraLife's LeafShine isn't exclusive to cut foliage. You can use it on your houseplants too. Spray it onto the leaves, it'll give them a lovely natural shine, make them look clean, sparkling, elevate your room wonderfully. To learn more about the FloraLife LeafShine, contact your local FloraLife representative. We can organise to get those products out to you as quickly as possible, because your foliage deserves the best.